Religious concerns. A persistent feature of human history continues to plague the contemporary world. From sectarian violence in the Middle East to the rise of religious nationalism in various parts of the globe. The intersection of faith and political power remains a potent source of instability and suffering. Number 1 is sense of identity. Globalization exposes individuals to diverse cultures and beliefs, potentially challenging traditional religious identities. People may deal with integrating their religious identity with a globalized world, leading to both reaffirmation and reformulation of their faith. Some might embrace a more globalized, interconnected understanding of the religion, while others might cling more strongly to traditional practice as a form of resistance to perceived cultural homogenization. Example: a religious community adapting its rituals and practices to reflect the changing demographics of their globalized city. Number 2 is sense of accountability. Globalization can weaken traditional religious authority structures. With increased access to informed and diverse perspectives, individuals may question traditional interpretation and authority figures. This can lead to both increased security and reform within religious institutions, as well as the rise of alternative religious movements and interpretations. Example: a protest or demonstration related to religious freedom or the critique of religious institution reflecting the challenges to traditional religious authority. And lastly, sense of security. Globalization can create uncertainty and anxiety, leading individuals to seek solace and security in their religious beliefs. However, it can also expose religious communities to new forms of conflict and discrimination, challenging their sense of security. The rise of religious extremism and intolerance is a significant concern in a globalized world. Example: news coverage or images related to religious conflict or violence, demonstrating the challenges to religious